Alright guys, welcome back to Swedes in a Boat. As you know, I have a lot of projects going on simultaneously. And that means that, you know, I really need to prioritize and reprioritize and switch and boom boom. And I have a little bit of a cold, and I've been having that a couple of days now. What I'm planning to do today is have a look at my canvas. Let's have a look at the sewing machine, thread the needle, do all that, and start testing, I guess. Right now I'm headed down to the boat, see how it fits. Done like as you've seen, I've done a couple of them, but only one that has a real fastener on it. So I'm gonna do that. Head down to the boat and check it out how it fits. So yeah, let's do that. Right guys, I'm by the boat now and I'm gonna test my canvas. I think I've put that fastener on. Let's check it out. This and this. It's supposed to be like that. Nope. Maybe that one. That one is for the aft. Ooh. Dang. Perfect. Check that out, guys. I got all the fasteners on this one, and it's gonna be like that. I think it's pretty good. Nice with the black. It's gonna be really good, really good. It's gonna be really good. So perhaps I'm gonna do a fastener down here. Get it nice and stretched. Let's do that. Let's check it out for a fastener. Like that. There. Alright, I'm doing some markings to know where, more or less where I need to put that extra crease and seams on it. And of course I'm going to use the old one as a template. Don't get too, you know, I want it to be parallel. This is pretty nice parallel. line here. I would like to have that all around, so need to think about how I do the fasteners down here. But I'm gonna compare my markings there with the original, the old one. See where it takes us. Alright guys, that was super fun starting doing that project. I really enjoyed doing this canvas, and it can be a really big project if you look at it from the outside, seeing the boat with all that canvas on it. But just taking it one step at a time, one piece at a time, and one steam at a time, and just keep that pace, and the project will be finalized with a super great result. Also, what I did is to cut out the pieces one by one around that window. I saw that the original canvas was cut out from one piece. I think that's going to be really expensive, and you're going to waste a lot of fabric doing that. So I cut all the pieces out and sewed them together to make the whole piece where I put the window in, or the glass, or the window, whatever you call it, the vinyl. Also, that's the time I have for today. I'm going to continue working on this canvas and share that with you. If I can do it, then you can do it. I promise you that. And I'll see you in the next video. And please subscribe, hit that notification so you don't miss out on any future videos. And I'll see you in the next one.